I would like to choose the sounds. Keep the sea, a door closing softly, the breath of someone who wants nothing from me. Turn off the rest. But certain voices enter through the skin. They leave words inside your lungs, small dead things that keep breathing in your place. There is no escape. You lie back on the water, spread your arms, play dead so well you even fool yourself. The waves eventually pass. People wait for you to open your eyes so they can begin the drowning again.